talking about, for example, the DSPs.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that means firstly. What is the service provider? I don't know what
the DSPs are the shops, the digital stores.
Digital stores. So basically now this is how people are consuming music.
Yeah,
right?
Your Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer.
Cool. So now seeing that this is how people are consuming music, they consume it via this streaming method, firstly, right? So I've heard a lot of complaints amongst artists, especially with the monetary benefits of streaming. So for example, you're going to see somebody with 2 million streams there. In terms of the equating of that to monetary, is it very beneficial for the actual artist in terms of the streaming thing that's going on?
Yeah.
Right? Or would you rather say that the streaming is more so for the artist to actually get the exposure? So if I've got myself on some playlist and people are hearing me, then it stands me good stead. If I've got a show and then if I've got some merchandise to sell, right? So just explain to me that play off. And then the difference as well between the streaming platforms as well as downloading platforms, because in the olden days you would have a CD, right? So I also assume if you wanted Zonke's album, there's also platforms where you go and you actually download and you buy the whole album, right? And then in terms of that, how do those platforms compete with platforms that do streaming? So are people actually buying music as well, or are people just streaming?
Yeah. Okay, that's a very good question, the first one. Streaming, if you have a lot of people that have 20 million streams, they under a label, as I explained, and they get streamed. Well, a big artist will get, when they release the album and you like whoever that's releasing, if Kabza the Small is releasing an album and you like him, you know that he's releasing tomorrow, you'll go and listen. But also to push his album, there's marketing behind it. But also most streams you get from the playlist, especially internationally. So those streams, if you are signed, I just want to answer your question. If you are signed, obviously the label takes a share. I don't know how do they share their stuff, their monies. With me, I release the music myself, and those streams make me money, and I am able to withdraw money right now. Right now I can do it, and it will come tomorrow into my bank account. So for me, right now, the streaming is the business. It's like people buying CDs, people buying vinyls. That's what it is. It's for money. Now, it's not for exposure. Artists are complaining because I mean, it would have been great if there was more money. But I don't complain because I do the work and I get the streams so that I can make that little bit of money. And that little bit of money will help me market myself as well so that I can at least get booked or to make more money and promote my music. Does that answer you? The first question.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's money in streaming.
There's money
in streaming.
Yeah.
It's just that with other artists, it's the share that becomes a problem.
Yeah, I mean, there's a guy, they were talking about it on Facebook. I think Karabo, Karabo something, I think it's Nana Coyote's son. He likes talking about these things. So he had numbers there that somebody is streaming 300,000 and got 4,000 rands. And this streaming thing doesn't work. 300,000 streams, a lot of streams, and 4,000 rands